Thomas A Sangma MLA ka North Tura ula job suk kum Lamphang ka IingDorbar Thawain ka Jylla hadien bakal Liang Pyrshah kam shym pynieng kyrtong ban iakhun katei ka shuki ha ka elekshon Lamphang ka belalong mynta ka khandai terik Lber. Jan baroh ki MLA la kalong na ka Liang Pyrshah kumju na ka Liang synshar kila pynpaw ya ka jingkmen halor ka jingshimti jong ya katei ka shuki.
Honorable members, first of all, I thank God Almighty for this joyous and momentous occasion. I also thank all the honorable members for your support, your kind words, and for electing me unanimously as the 18th Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It is with great humility and with deep sense of honor I take this chair as Speaker of this Legislative Assembly. This is my first stint of this dignified chair that I am occupying. I have no hesitation to say that today I am indeed very proud that I could gain the confidence and trust of all the honorable members of this august House. In reply to what epistle Paul, I would say, of this House, on this occasion I also remind each one of us of the legendary reply of Speaker Lenthal of British House of Commons in the mid-60s when the House of Commons was attached by King Charles I. Asserting the privilege of Parliament, the Speaker said to the King, "May it please your Majesty, I have neither eyes to see, nor tongue to speak in this place, but as this House is pleased to direct me, whose servant I am." As Speaker, I want to express my sincerest appreciation to every one of you for the confidence you have placed in me and for the great responsibility that have been entrusted to me. I wish to take this opportunity to warmly welcome our newly elected members and also welcome back the returning members to this august House. I humbly submit to the wisdom of all the honorable members of this august House who have reposed faith in and trust on me and found me fit to occupy this post. It will be my endeavor to see that the privilege and interest of this House and the legislature is protected and uphold the tradition of parliamentary democracy. It will also be my endeavor to gain the confidence of all the members of this august House and looked into their interest irrespective of party affiliation. At the same time, I also look forward to constructive advice and suggestions from both sides of the House, particularly from some of the most senior and experienced members that we are having in this 11th House. As we all know, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also has the reputation of being one of the most disciplined House in the country. And I'm sure we will continue to maintain this tradition coupled with good standard of debate.